Are you having a problem with your washer's door? Well, this is Eric, Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the hinge bracket inside your washer's door, and some other things to check if your washer's door isn't opening or closing properly. These instructions apply to washers made by Whirlpool, including Maytag, Amana, and more. If you need to purchase a new hinge bracket, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. Here at Parts Doctor, we only sell authentic, genuine parts sourced directly from the manufacturer. The hinge bracket is responsible for holding the door hinge to the inner door panel. If it is broken or damaged, the hinge may not open or close properly. To access the hinge bracket, we'll first need to open the washer's door. Using a T20 Torx, remove these 4 screws holding the door to the washer. With the screws removed, lift the door to remove it. Then, set the door on a soft surface to avoid scratching or damaging it. Using a T15 Torx, remove the 2 screws holding the door strike to the door. Gently pry on the top of the door strike to remove it from the door. Using a T15 Torx, remove these 15 screws. Carefully separate the inner and outer door panels and set the outer door panel aside for later. Then, on the front of the inner door panel, remove these 4 T20 Torx screws. On the back of the inner door, use a T15 Torx to remove these 8 screws. Then lift to remove the bracket. If you need to purchase a new hinge bracket, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure that you are searching with the model number from the tag on your washer to make sure you get the correct part. Now is a good time to also remove and inspect the hinge and hinge caps. If either of them are damaged or bent, you will need to replace them. You can check out our other videos in the description below. To install, align the hinge bracket to the inner door panel and install the screws. To help avoid breaking or damaging the plastic mounts and threads, we suggest installing these screws by hand and making sure not to over-tighten them. On the front of the inner door panel, install these 4 T20 Torx screws. Align the inner door to the outer door and install these 15 screws. Again, it is best to install these screws by hand and be sure not to over-tighten them. Work your way around the door to be sure that the inner and outer panels are connected and flush on all sides. Align the door strike to the door with the flat edge facing the bottom of the door. Insert the bottom into the door and push the top into place and install the 2 screws. Align the door to the front panel of the washer so these 2 retainers set into these slots. Secure the door into place with the 4 T20 screws and make sure that the door closes properly. And that's it for today's video, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and comment down below. And for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.